Dear students, this is part 3rd of this chapter. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the various non-conventional sources of energy that are prevalent in the world. First, we will see the list of various non-conventional sources of energy that are hydroelectric energy, biomass energy, wind energy, solar energy, geothermal energy, tidal energy, and ocean thermal energy. So, starting with hydroelectric energy. Hydroelectricity is the form of electricity that is generated by the movement of flowing water that turns turbine to run the generators, and which in turn convert the mechanical energy into electric energy. And this energy is stored and supplied to meet the energy demands. The hydroelectricity is generated by storing the water at some height in the form of dams and letting that potential energy of the water to convert into kinetic energy. That kinetic energy turns the turbine, and as such electric energy is produced. There are various advantages and disadvantages associated with hydroelectricity. First, we will see the pros. It has no emission or less emission of harmful gases. It is a reliable source of energy, and it is capable of generating large amount of power. The output can be regulated in order to meet the demand. So this is a good form of energy, but it has some disadvantages. Like, the disadvantages associated with hydroelectricity are: it creates environmental impacts, and by changing the environment of the area. These dams are very much expensive to build, and they may be affected by droughts, and these may also lead to potential floods. So these are the drawbacks or disadvantages of using hydroelectricity as a source of energy. Here is a pictorial representation of hydroelectric power generation. So here the water is stored at some higher level by the help of a dam, and then the potential energy stored in the water is allowed to be converted into kinetic energy by allowing the water to flow through small pipes or channels. These channels take the water and rotate the turbine, and as such, due to the rotation of the turbine, the generator generates the electric current that is supplied to the transformer, where from it is supplied via power transmission cables to the households and other places of use. Now coming to another non-conventional source of energy, that is biomass. Biomass is produced from the vegetable oils, animal fats, recycled restaurant greases, and the byproducts of agricultural, plants and forestry processing, and human waste products. This biomass produces energy and is utilized as a source of energy. Using biomass has many advantages as well as disadvantages. So first, here we see the pros of using biomass as a source of energy. A good source of energy.